Besides on anti-aging na skincare, meron ba ding procedure sa clinic nyo na pang anti-aging?
Of course, madami actually, no? Here at their clinic, we actually want to target yung kagaya na sinabi ko, the foundation, no? Tas the one that gives firmness to the skin, of course, and also the, kumbaga, the texture, no? So lahat yon is an anti-aging, like from lasers to injectables, marami, no? But also, ang pinaka nagagamit namin talaga dito is what we call yung non-invasive lifting procedure, which is actually therapy.
A non-invasive procedure is a kind of treatment that doesn't involve surgery, and therapy is one of them. According to Dr. Jean, this machine tightens the skin with the help of ultrasound imaging. The machine stimulates the production of collagen and elastin. The result is a natural-looking lift to your skin. Anong age, Doc, ang pwedeng mag-start sa procedure ng therapy?
Actually, at the age of 20 plus, if we wanna contour the face, halimbawa, lower cheek is too heavy, no? So we can start that na. Or halimbawa, dito rin, no? We want to make the skin under the eye firmer, so we can do therapy. Or naman for older women, yung mga nagdo-droop na yung eyelid, we can lift it, no? And then also, of course, especially even the neck, no, yung mga neck na mga lines or yung mga sagging ng neck, then therapy can address that.
So I guess therapy is a really good choice for those who don't want to go under the knife. So after the procedure kaya, Doc, how do you maintain the lift of the skin?
So after the therapy procedure, what we do is we give, of course, products, no? To maintain the firmness of the skin, to smoothen the skin, to address other problems, and to moisturize, no? And aside from that, no, they can come back for other treatments for that will address skin rejuvenation. So marami pa tayong pwedeng magawa.
So Doc, ang dami rin kasing curious sa therapy. How much ba ang procedure nito?
Yeah, usually kasi ang therapy will start from 80,000 paakyat. Depende yon sa laki ng face, yung severity ng problem. So, 80,000 plus, no? That's the danger nga eh. Sometimes, di ba, you see a lot of mga cheap treatments, no? Cheap therapy. And they should be careful, no? And when you go to naman to a derma, there's a authentication, no? So, kumbaga, meron namang seal of authenticity.
Wow, okay. So, we really have to be careful coming from Doc when it comes to having the therapy treatment. Kasi, ang dami din kasing clinics na meron nito, and you have to be sure and do your research before undergoing this procedure.